how many blocks do I need in order to do the block work, which is from the foundation to the printed level. Hello, good day. My name is Simon Uzoma. Welcome to my channel once again. Okay, in today's video I'll be sharing a question and answer concerning the last video I posted, which is the 4-bedroom bungalow. In that video posted the cost of building 4-bedroom bungalow in Nigeria, and since then I've been having so many questions concerning so many things on that building. Okay, right now I'll be starting from the foundation question. Before I continue, if you've not subscribed, click on the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate and anything that has to do with building in Nigeria. You'll be getting it here free of charge. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the question I normally have from people that watch that video, number one question is how deep should I allow my foundation to be, which means the minimum deep of a foundation for bungalow. Okay, now let me answer this question. Now, depending on where you are building the house, that's why sometimes when we want to build a house for a client, we ask the client to do what we call a soil test. Now, with this soil test, we'll be able to know the kind of soil that is on the site. We'll be able to know how deep the foundation should go, what should expect. For instance, those that are building in a waterlogged area, you don't expect the foundation to be shallow, but to be a very deep foundation. Then those that are building in maybe dry land or the normal dry land, the foundation might not be too deep, but going to be very good good foundation that will sustain the house, so the house will last for long. Okay, now let me start from the minimum deep of a foundation. When you are building a 4-bedroom bungalow and where you are building is a dry land, which means the ground is very good, it's going to be a minimum of 3 meter. Yes, minimum of 3 meter. Yes, that should be the minimum of a deep of the foundation, 3 meter. Okay, now from the 3 meter, that when you are digging the foundation, make sure that the width is also wide, so that there will be just like a concrete by the side that will hold the foundation very well. Okay, that's for the foundation. Yeah, another question that they usually ask me is how many blocks do I need in order to do the block work, which is from the foundation to the printed level. How many blocks do I need for me to do the block work from foundation to printed level? Okay, now the minimum block you need for building 4-bedroom bungalow is about 4,000 blocks. That's what you need. Yes, 4,000 blocks. With this 4,000 blocks, you can easily build you can easily go from the foundation to the printed level, which means the rooms, the parlor, the kitchen, the toilet, the bath will be used for that for that 4,000 block. Okay, that's the number two question that I normally receive from people that wants to build 4,000 blocks is okay. Now, depending on also another factor is depending on the kind of size you need, the size of the room, how big you want the parlor, the kitchen, the bedroom, how big. But with this 4,000 blocks, it should be okay. Then maybe you can add more if you want to add more rooms, so it can also you can use below that 4,000 blocks depending on the size of the bungalow you are building. Then the next question is what kind of block do I use in building 4-bedroom bungalow? Okay, we have a 6 inches block and we have a 9 inches block. My advice is to use a 6 inches block, okay, for the bungalow. But if you are building anything like paint house or maybe duplex, you can be using the 9 inches block. But with bungalow, just go for the 4 inches block. That will be okay for you. Yes, to be okay for you. That's it for block work. Okay, another question I used to have from people is what kind of roofing sheet do I use in order to roof my house. Okay, now there are different type of roofing sheet, depending on what you want to achieve, depending on your goal, depending on your taste, depending on your pocket. We have a stone coated roofing sheet. Under this stone coated roofing sheet, we have what we call Milano, we have what we call classic, we have what we call shingle, and so many of them. Also, we have the one with aluminium, long span aluminium roofing sheet. So there are different type of roofing sheet you can use depending on what you want to achieve and the area you want to build it. Like I said in my video, the prices differs. That the price in Lagos might not be the same thing as the price in the eastern part of Nigeria. There are different prices you can get, but one thing you should know that stone coated roofing sheet is more expensive than the step tier aluminium. Okay, that's it for the roofing sheet. Okay, if you have a building to build in Nigeria, we can actually handle it for you. We can give you a nice design, we can give you a solid building from the foundation to the finishing level. Our number is on the screen. Give us a call and we'll give you a wonderful building. You can check our number there. You can call us. This is Simtech Property. Call us and tell us what you want. We give you the building plan. If you have building plan, we can start from there. If you don't have building plan, we can give you options of getting a good building plan, and we give you a wonderful building. Okay, the last question for today, that will be on the finishing aspect. Okay, I've been having different questions of what kind of finishing do I expect, what kind of finishing do I need in order for my house to be that will look so good and beautiful and magnificent. Okay, now let me explain this. Now, where you spend most money on is the finishing aspect. Now, deep finishing has different level. They are kind of, for instance, let me start with the painting aspect. There are painting that are so expensive. There are painting that are not that much. That is just normal price. Okay, now all this depending on your pocket, depending on how much you have, depending on your taste, depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, let me also move to tiles. For those that want to put to do lady tiles, we have Spanish tiles, we have Nigeria tiles, we have Italian tiles, we have the China tiles. We have so many type of tiles, and all these tiles are not the same price. They are different prices. So depending on the quality of what you actually want. If you want Nigerian tiles, the price of Nigerian tiles and the price of Italian tiles are different. Okay, so depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, for instance, okay, for someone I want to put maybe the shower, the toilet seat, and all these things. All these things are different price. For those that want to go for jacuzzi, for bathroom and so many things, they are different prices. So the finishing aspect, it depends on what you actually want, the taste of what you the taste, your taste and everything. There are so many things that involve in the finishing. This finishing aspect is where you spend the most money because of your what you want to achieve. Okay, these are the questions I've been having from people that wants to build a house. Now, if you want to build a house, our phone number is on the screen right now. We can give you a wonderful building, the best you can think of. We can give you a high quality building with a wonderful features that you're going to like. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any other question, you can comment on this video or comment below and tell me what you actually your question. I will give you all the answer that you need. Okay, thank you for watching. See you other time. Simtech Properties. Bye.